All right, showing you guys step by step how we're going to do a green shadow. And I'm using the white base of the concealer to make this shadow pop. So first step is going to be, I'll make it even. So first thing you want to do is put either a white concealer on it or anything you like. But this, I love the white one because it just makes it pop. Like, why wouldn't you? Come on. I like to have it nice and bright. Then you want to tap, tap, tap. And then we'll go to step 2 in a sec. All right, once you guys got your base, you want to go with a shade that you like. Now, since we're going to do green, I'm going to go with this bright one, and I'm going to do it right on the base. So what I like to do, I'm going to go ahead and just use, honestly, my fingers when it comes to this one. And I'm just going to apply it like so on top. And let me finish the rest. All right, once you have it nice and vibrant like this, I'm going to go with the next step. And I'm going to go a little bit deeper, but I'm going to put that one on the crease. So I'm going to dip that one. And basically, you're going to go towards the end. And then just like buff it out. That's how you're going to do. Like this. So let me finish this step. And then I'll show you what's next. Alright. Once you got it like that, I'm going to go with the lighter shade. Just this one that's going to be right there. That one's going to go on the brow bone. Because I don't want to deepen it at all. By so ever. Alright. I'm going to do the next one. Alright, once you got that going, I'm going to go with the deeper shade in the corner, which is going to be the deepest green right there. And I'm just going to do the corner just a little bit to give it a little bit more definition and define it. Now, this is also going to smoke it out, which I like. So just dab, 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 and then tap, tap, tap. And if you tap it a little bit more before you buff it out, it's going to give you more pigmentation. So keep that in mind. So let me buff this out real quick. Now, see how it's nice and smoked out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom with the deep green. So, give me a sec. All right. So, there you go. So, now let me go ahead and finish everything off camera. I'm going to do my liner, my lashes. Obviously, you need those lashes for the shadow. Come on now. And let me do my hair because it's looking a little crazy. And I'll be back with the finished look. All right, my people, with no filter nor nothing, I want to show you how it looks. I think it looks amazing. Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow just pop. Now, I am trying some new lashes from Amazon. It's been going crazy. I guess it's viral, which is these. I'm using these right now. They come in 40. I just split it into 2 because my daughter wanted to have some. So I'm like, Mom, would you get the 40? I'll be honest, normally compared to the quality that I normally use, it's not bad. I just feel like it's a little plasticky. But overall, I feel like it brought out the look. Now, for lip, I also did the Full Force Fly Girl in Buxom. I feel like it's a nice neutral since I already got something going on. And even the Buxom lip liner in Hush Hush Hannah. Well, what do you guys think, my peeps? Look nice?